buzzing your lips is absolutely no natural. So it's one of the first obstacles you will face on the trumpet. But don't worry, with just a bit of practice, it starts to come quickly. The real issue? You can run into this problem again, even after years of playing, if your foundation is not solid, especially when you start aiming for the high register. By the end of this video, we will work on that phrase of Amazing Grace together. Apply what you'll learn today, and you'll play it easily, with a great sound. And if you want to practice it later, I wrote the sheet music for you. You can download it for free. It's a link right below this video. Here's a mistake I see all the time with beginners: pressing the mouthpiece too hard. You absolutely must avoid it. As soon as you notice yourself pressing too much, stop, take a deep breath, and do the exercise I'm about to show you. First, hold your mouthpiece with your left hand. Then follow these steps to form your embouchure. First, cover the red part of your lips to avoid fatigue. 2. Place the embouchure gently. And third, create the opening by gently dropping your jaw. That's how air gets through and creates vibration. Start by buzzing a steady note on your embouchure. Let whatever note comes naturally come out. Don't try to go too high or too low. Stay comfortable and focus on your breath. Breath from the belly, not the shoulder. No tension in the upper body. Stay firm only around your lips and in your core. Once you can hold the buzz, try exploring the low register. Start from steady note and slide down by ear. Important, don't decrease your air support when going down. We don't want this kind of weak result. Instead, increase your intensity slightly as you descend. Also, move your lips outward while going lower. And trust your ears. Sing the line in your head as you play it. And most importantly, keep supporting with your air. Don't let the note collapse. Focus on the destination note, not on going super low. The goal is to feel the motion. Support even when going down. If you forget to support, I've got a trick for you. Imagine you are handing a baby to someone. If you don't support it, the baby falls and dies. So, unless you are hurtless, support your notes. Now let's do the opposite. Go up into the high register. Keep supporting with the air. Remember, your baby's life depends on it. And keep in mind, keep supporting. Move your lips inward as you go higher. And don't play louder in the high register. In fact, play softer. High notes need precision in vibration, not a big blast of air. So far, we've reviewed the fundamental of buzzing. Now, how do you do that in real piece? Let's work on that phrase from Amazing Grace I played earlier. And remember, the sheet music is in the description if you want to play it. When I was working on this passage, I had trouble myself. Going up and then down again, I kept getting air gaps. After analyzing, I realized these gaps happen in the highs and lows, right when I lost my buzz. And a great exercise to fix this is to play the phrase on the mouthpiece only, no tongue, just breath and buzz. Even if you don't know the exact note yet, you can already train it this way. The more accurate you are with your buzzing, the easier it gets when you play in on the trumpet.